email, let her know she was asking me. Appreciate it, man. Bye-bye.
That was great.
Who was that? New guys are easier to jack with because they're so nervous about everything. All right, lunch meetings. Let's see who we have. We have Claudia, which we'll go ahead and let her in. We have Reddington, Lopez, and Carson. Any of those go together?
Carson and Reddington go together.
All right, let's do those.
That was the one that was supposed to be our hearing, but ended up turning into a plea.
Admit. Probably help find out all this on my computer first. Carson.
Yeah.
All right. We're ready. Miss Carson, you have to unmute.
Sorry about that.
No problem. All right. If y'all ready?
Yes, sir.
If you would raise your right hand and be sworn. You swear or affirm testimony about to give be the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes. So yes.
Is your true name Victoria Lane Carson?
Yes, sir.
And do you understand in this case you are charged with assault?
Yes, sir.
Have you had enough time to go over the case with your attorney?
Yes.
And do you understand we're doing this plea electronically and your attorney is online with us right now?
Yes.
Are you okay doing the plea that way?
Yes, sir.
Right. And it looks like you and your attorney worked out a plea agreement for what's called deferred adjudication. Do you understand that?
Mm-hmm. Yes.
And do you understand how deferred works?
Yes, sir.
Once you're done with your probation, you'll have to wait 2 years, but you'll be eligible to petition the court for non-disclosure of your records, okay?
Okay.
And I'll just let you know, if you get everything done early, it's very likely you could get released early from probation, okay?
Okay. Sounds good.
To the charge of assault, how do you plead?
Guilty.
Accept your plea guilty, defer finding guilt for a period of 15 months. You'll be placed on community supervision on a deferred status for 15 months, or to do the things contained in your plea agreement. You will need to meet with collections and probation at some point this morning. Can you be up here in about a half hour or so?
Yes.
Okay. Just come to County Court Law number 3, wait out in the hall, and the bailiff will have the paperwork. He'll bring it out to you and get your fingerprint and get you up to collections, and you'll meet with probation, and then you'll be done. Okay?
Okay.
Do you have any questions about anything?
No, sir.
All right. Good luck. Thank y'all.
Thank you, Judge.
See you later. All right. Courtroom clean. Okay. That's one. Now we have, let's see, Lopez, Snell, and Minshew.
No.
Any of those go together?
Minshew and Lopez go together.
Okay. Wait for you to get off. Y'all here?
Good morning, Your Honor. Tim Mitchell.
How are y'all? All right.
1 second.
Jorge Lopez. Oops.
I'm just, my audio. Can you hear me?
I can hear you. Can you hear us?
Okay. It's
You good?
connected to somewhere else. Just one
Well, hey,
second.
you might need headphones. So George.
Is it going through a Bluetooth speaker?
Yeah, it's going through another speaker.
George,
Um,
can you hear me? Can you hear me?
I can hear you.
Okay.
Yes.
When you respond to the judge, say yes, sir, or no, sir, and you might try headphones. If you have headphones, plug them in your computer.
Okay. I don't know why it's catching up with something else, but I can hear you.
All right. If you would raise your right hand and be sworn. You swear or affirm testimony about to give you the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes, sir. I swear.
Is your true name Jorge Isaac Lopez?
Yes, Your Honor.
And you can put your hand down. Do you understand, in this case, you are charged with driving while intoxicated?
Yes, sir.
And do you also understand there's an allegation that you had a BAC above a 0.15?
Yes, sir.
And it looks like you and your attorney worked out a plea agreement for a probated sentence. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
And do you understand we're doing this plea electronically and your attorney is online with us right now?
Yes, sir.
Are you okay doing the plea that way?
Yes, sir.
To the charge of driving while intoxicated, how do you plead?
Guilty.
Yes, sir.
Do you plead guilty?
Guilty. I'm sorry.
All right.
Yes,
And-
I'm sorry. It's just I'm hearing by the
I know.
other. I'm trying to hear the.
We
The
can hear it
speaker,
delayed
yes.
too, so no big deal. And to the allegation that you had a BAC above a 0.15, is that allegation true?
Yes, sir.
I accept your plea, find you guilty, sentence you to 180 days in jail. The jail sentence, however, is suspended and probated for 12 months. You'll be placed on community supervision for 12 months, ordered to do all the things contained.
Yes, sir.
in the
Yes,
plea.
Your Honor.
Okay. Can you be up here in about a half hour or so to process?
Oh, can you, George? I'm sorry, Your Honor. I had told him it would be tomorrow. I apologize.
It'll be today.
It would be today. Okay.
Yeah, and especially since there's bad weather coming for tomorrow.
Okay.
So can you be up here in about a half hour?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay. Perfect.
Come to county court at law number 3. Wait out in the hall. And the bailiff will bring the paperwork out to you and get you out of here as fast as we can, okay?
Can you repeat that part?
Yeah, if you'll come to county court at law number 3. Wait out in the hall. The bailiff will bring the paperwork out to you.
And I will text
Okay,
him
sir.
and talk with him as well, Your Honor.
And you'll meet with collections and probation while you're here,
Yes.
okay? Do you have any
Understood.
questions about anything?
Yes. No, everything's okay, sir.
Okay, we'll see you in a little while. Thank you all.
Okay. Thanks.
Okay.
See
Thank
you later.
Okay. Bye. Bye.
I'll call you, George.
He had it hooked up to a Bluetooth speaker, which happens. When was that, DWI?
That was on.
Mhm.
It was 8/29/19.
8/29? Oh, so there's no fine at all. Good. Nothing to do with this. Now, let's see, we have Snell
Snell and Slovakia.
are together.
Damon.
Oh, both are with Damon?
Yes.
Okay, so Damon's on. This may shock you, but Nee's client's not on yet. Snell, I believe. Miss Snell, we can't see you. Can you hear us?
Ms. Snell? Caller, Judge?
Yeah, you can call her. She's probably on. We just can't see her.
Okay, I'll call her and see if I can give her instructions.
When was this deal? Yeah.
Was on 3/17/2020.
She's muted right now. There it is.
We're trying to sign her out and sign her back in.
Okay. There we go.
I don't have an unmute button. It just says start, join audio and stop video.
Oh, yeah. No, join. Oh, wait. What does it say?
She's on right now.
Just what it is.
She's on.
Can you hear?
Join audio.
Yeah.
Computer.
Okay.
Can you hear?
Yeah, we can hear you and see you.
All right. I'm hanging up now.
Can you hear us? Oh, she's muted now.
Oh, go down to the bottom left-hand corner of your.
There you go. You got to put that microphone down.
Put the microphone down.
We can't hear you. Muted again.
You're muted again. Go to the bottom left-hand corner of the screen.
I did. I unmuted it.
There we go. All right, we can hear you right now. You ready?
Hear you unless I have the.
Put your mic.
Okay.
Yeah, yes, that's perfect.
Can you hear us?
Okay. Yes, I can.
All right, if you would raise your right hand to be sworn. You swear or affirm testimony about to give be the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God.
I do.
Is your true name Stephanie Roberts Snell?
Yes, sir.
And do you understand in this case you are charged with driving while intoxicated?
Yes, sir.
And do you also understand there's two other paragraphs? One alleges you had a BAC above a .15, and the other alleges you had a prior conviction for driving while intoxicated. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
And it looks like you and your attorney worked out a plea agreement where the state has agreed to waive the enhancement paragraph alleging a prior conviction, but you're going to plead true to the .15 allegation. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Right. And then you'll receive a probated sentence. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
And do you understand we're doing this plea electronically and your attorney is online with us right now?
Yes, I do.
Are you okay doing the plea that way?
Yes.
All right. To the charge of driving while intoxicated, how do you plead?
Guilty.
And to the allegation that you had a BAC above a .15, is that allegation true?
Yes.
I accept your plea, find you guilty, sentence you to 180 days in jail. The jail sentence, however, is suspended and probated for 18 months. You're going to be placed on community supervision for 18 months, ordered to do all the things contained in your plea agreement. You will need to meet with collections and probation at some point this morning. Can you be up here in about a half hour or so?
It'll take me about an hour to get there.
Okay. If you would head up here as fast as you can, then you'll have to meet with probation and collections this morning. Then you'll be free to go. Okay. Do you have
And
any-
this is I'm sorry, this is the courthouse out on 75. Is that
Yes.
correct?
Yes.
Okay.
And come to County Court Law number 3. Just wait outside in the hall, and the bailiff will bring the paperwork out to you.
Okay. Number 3. Yes, sir.
Do you have any other questions?
I don't. I would just like to say I very much apologize for this, and it will never happen again, and I appreciate your leniency.
Well, good luck. We'll see you in a
Thank
little
you
bit.
so much.
Thank you.
Okay, bye-bye.
Thank you, Ms. Snell. Call me if you need anything.
Thank you.
All right. I'm going to bring in your other client.
Sabatka.
Yes. You have to unmute.
Bottom left-hand corner, Mr.
There
Sabatka.
you go. All right. If you would raise your right hand and be sworn. You swear or affirm testimony about to give be the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes, sir.
Is your true name Jason Eric Sabatka?
Yes.
And do you understand in this case, you're charged with driving while intoxicated?
Yes.
And you also, there's a paragraph alleging you had a BAC of level 0.15. It looks like you and your attorney worked out a plea agreement where the state has agreed to abandon that paragraph. Do you understand that?
Yes.
And have you had enough time to go over the case with your attorney?
Yes.
And it looks like you and your attorney worked out a plea agreement for a probated sentence. Do you understand that?
Yes.
And do you understand we're doing this plea electronically and your attorney is online with us right now?
Yes.
Are you okay doing the plea that way?
Yes, sir.
All right. To the charge of driving while intoxicated, how do you plead?
Guilty.
I accept your plea guilty, find you guilty, sentence you to 120 days in jail. The jail sentence, however, suspended and probated for 12 months. You're going to be placed on community supervision for 12 months or to do the things contained in your plea agreement. You will need to meet with collections and probation at some point this morning. Can you be up here in about a half hour or so?
Yeah, I'm out in St. Paul. It may take me a little while, depending where y'all are at.
Okay. Well, we're in McKinney. So.
Okay. Yeah, it's going to take about 40 minutes or so.
Yeah, if you'll just come up here as fast as you can, we'll be here. The bailiff will have the paperwork. Come to County Court Law number 3. It's way out in the hall. He'll bring the paperwork out to you. Then you'll meet with collections and probation. Then you'll be out of here. Okay?
Okay.
Do you have any questions about anything else?
Just where I can find that address and head that way.
2100 Bloomdale,
Okay.
and that's right off 75 in McKinney.
Okay.
Big building, it's hard to miss.
I think that's it then.
Okay. See you in a little while. Thank you.
Thank you.
Rich is about to call me if you need anything.
All right. Thank you.
You, man.
I think that's it for me this morning, Judge.
Sounds good.
All right, tell Mindy I'm sorry. Hope she forgives me.
She actually said you were the sorriest person she's ever met.
Ouch.
Yeah.
Wow, I've gotten out of trouble with women before, but this one's going to be tough.
Yep.
Yep.
I'll see y'all later. Mike,
See you, man. All right. When was that DWI?
3/1/2020.
Are you asking me, Judge?
No, she told me.
Okay.
After,
Thank you. Y'all have a good day.
The statutory fine in there. All right. We'll have this one more, right?
Just go one packet. I believe. And you have one in person to do.
Really?
Good morning, Judge. How are you today?
I'm good. Where's your client?
That's a good question, Judge. I wish I knew the answer to that question, Your Honor.
She has not made an appearance yet, so.
Sounds good. I'll try and reach out to her again. I tried to
Okay.
call her yesterday, but we will try
Well, we
again.
will, we'll be here, and when she pops in, we'll let you know, okay?
Sounds good. Thank you, Judge. I'm going to work on my cat filter. while
Good,
you're
that'd be
away.
great.
All right.
I think we're just gonna issue a warrant for her.
Sounds great, Judge.
Yeah, this is her, what, third, fourth plea attempt, and
I've tried to call her about 3 or 4 times today, and yesterday I tried to call her.
Chad
No call
called her
back.
and talked to her mom a few minutes ago, and she didn't know where she is, so,
Okay.
I think you put up with enough from her, and so have we, so, we'll just bond forfeit her and at some point pick her up and see if she's motivated then to resolve her case.
Yes, sir.
All right.
Thank you so much. You have a wonderful
See you
day,
later.
Judge.
All right.
Bye-bye.